In this video, we will learn about Oracle Apex Collection. Apex Collection is a temporary data store that works inside a user session. When a user enters multiple rows in a form, like in a voucher, invoice, or cart, we cannot save each row directly to the database. We first store them in Apex Collection. In this series, you will learn how to use Apex Collection step by step in real applications. Apex Collection is a temporary data store that works inside a user session. It behaves like a table, but it is not a real database table. Each logged-in user gets their own private collection. The data stays only in memory during the session. Nothing is saved in the database until we explicitly insert it. That is why Apex Collection is perfect for screens where users enter multiple rows before clicking Save. Apex Collection is used in many real business screens. For example, in a shopping cart, users add and remove items before checkout. In a voucher or invoice screen, users enter multiple lines before saving. In POS systems, orders are built step by step. In all these cases, we need a temporary place to hold data, and that place is Apex Collection. It is also used in multi-row forms and wizard forms where data is collected in steps before final submission. The user enters data in the UI. It goes into Apex Collection. The user can edit or delete it. When everything is ready, it is finally saved into the database. So Apex Collection works as a bridge between the screen and the database. In this series, you will learn how to create a collection, insert data, and show it in a report. You will also learn how to update and delete rows, and finally how to save the collection into database tables. At the end, we will build a real-world voucher system using Apex Collection.